Hey everyone, in this video we will talk about this QCY T13 earbuds and why you would pick this over the others. Welcome to a review of the QCY T13 earbuds. We have the box itself, which is the QCY branding. Here is the logo over here, and this is their motto, which is the be creative and go beyond. Here are the basic features of this earbuds. We have the truly wireless earbuds. It has Bluetooth 5.1 and 7.1mm dynamic driver, and it's promising 40 hours of battery life. On this side we have the QCY logo again, and goes with the back side we have some other specs of this product. So let's not wait anymore, let's open the box. First of all, we get charging case, manuals, we also have extra and replacement ear tips, and finally USB A to C charging cable. The charging case comes with glossy finish and it has QCY branding on top. On the right side itself you get a Type-C charging port for top of the case, and plugging in you get a red indicator at the front which turns green when it's fully charged. The indicator also serves to tell you battery percentage of the case. So green means you have more than 90% of the battery life, blue means 50 to 90%, and red means less than 50%. The lid opens up nice and smoothly. Inside of the case you get a button for check the battery percentage of the case at the front. The charging metal conduct is on the side of the earbuds, and there are total of 4 microphones on this pair. And you have touch sensitive controls. It has this one-step bearing process. Once you pair it with your phone, it also auto connect whenever you trails out earbuds on the case. And you can customize touch controls from QCY app. Touch controls works perfectly. Buds has 7.2mm dynamic driver. T13 is a decently loud earbuds with deep bass. It is incredibly good, not the loudest but pretty decent. It has clear calls with 4 microphones. It can offer clear hands-free calling for you. This is perfect for business calls and meetings. It has Bluetooth 5.1 and it ensures higher connection stability and lower power consumption. So as long as you are kept within the designated wireless range of 10 meters, the consistency of the connection is perfect indoors or outdoors. The earbuds has long battery life and it has 380 mAh charging case. You can enjoy up to 20 to 40 hours of listening. And lastly, it has IPX5 waterproof nano coating and efficiently protects the earbuds from sweat or water. Perfect for workout, running and other sports, but not for swimming. So the T13 is really quite a nice sounding earbuds, really no fault here, and based on my opinion is sufficiently powerful, definitely punchy enough to give you a super nice and dynamic listening experience. So if you are interested in getting these earbuds, I will leave link in the description, so don't forget to check out.